The European pulp and paper industry has a challenge, keeping the production of paper and other cellulose derivatives eco-friendly. For decades, the sector has been adapting, developing new recycling practices and efficiency standards. Still, it is possible to do even more. This is why Project paperChain was born. 20 partners from 5 European countries working together to find new uses for the non-hazardous waste streams. The Slovenian team has developed a new material using the waste streams of the paper life cycle. When paper is recycled, a fibrous sludge is left behind. Part of this sludge is then used in energy production, turning into ash. A percentage of this ash is already being used in construction and mining projects. However, paperChain is aiming for the zero waste goal. So our Slovenian partners research treatments to transform these rejects into raw materials instead. Muddypel is their latest innovation, a composite of ash and sludge useful in railway renovation projects. Muddypel acts as the backfill element in landslide stabilization, forming a layer between the retaining wall and the slope. This not only means a higher percentage of paper waste recycled, it also lessens the amount of natural resources consumed. This project pilot takes place in a section of the Slovenian railway. After the installation, the composite is monitored to test its endurance to weather, groundwater and pressure. Muddypel has already been approved for several uses in Slovenian projects, and it is currently being assessed by the European technical authorities to access the European markets. A new step towards the zero waste goal, because circular economy is the key to a sustainable future.